has a different name. Like that's yours, Ali. That's yours. That's yours. But it tastes good, man. It tastes good. I remember what breadfruit called. Spanish people call it in America. But no, this is a breadfruit. We just fry plantain. You're welcome. So guys, the woman come down to my school, right? And she said, what she have in her ears? Earrings, so you pierce your ears? Take the earring them. Don't give her back.
Not me. You gonna see her, right?
Guys, until today, I still want about my earring. Because I know that teacher there, she go wear it herself. I want about my earring. The breadfruit tastes good, guys. It not taste bad. Journey was right. Journey saw cause it baked, that's why it brown. Amari tastes good, man. It not taste bad. That's something I know if you peel breadfruit. It's not so bad. You just need some salt on it. But you know some me alone gonna eat it because the people not eat this. Yeah, breadfruit. I get at the international store, Omar said I bake it. I bake it from Saturday, me and him. I forgot. So him just remind me for life about breadfruit. So I still remember now I'm going to the oven and see the breadfruit. But it's brown. It like it has this color. Like it don't look like the white one at Jamaica, you know? But Journey tell me say because it baked. So I really because it baked the truth. I throw some salt on it. It just needs some salt. But guys, yeah, when we go high school, we don't know how Jamaican high school have to be so strict, brother. The school them strict. Your teacher or your principal are going to pull you out of line if you wear the wrong socks, the wrong color shoe. I wonder if them still stay so. But you know what, guys? That has taught me discipline, you know? It definitely has taught me discipline. Because in my adult life, I learned how to follow rules, even though I was like, always. Guys, another thing is me ever late for school. Every morning, I'm late for school till them lock me out of the gate. I need a Jamaican woman for real. Well, hopefully you find one. If you find a Jamaican woman, you find a good woman. But them feisty, okay? They will wash, cook and clean, but they're very feisty. A matter of fact, a Caribbean woman, it don't have to be a Jamaican one. Guys, don't forget to like the video. You don't have to be a Jamaican woman. Caribbean woman, because Journey come from the Caribbean and Journey clean, good, and take care of her husband just the same way. So, used to think says was I only Jamaican thing. Caribbean woman do the same thing too. So any part of the Caribbean, any part of my sister countries then, guys, I have some curry goat. I'm going to eat some curry goat with some of that breadfruit, yeah. Jesus. Why Jamaican man love a woman with an accent? You know, I don't know. I truly talk, but I don't know. I ain't gonna lie. My husband, you must see what I know, very part of it, but I'm gonna tell you. If I work with a male, an American male, I got so much privilege. Jesus, let me tell you. If an American male is my boss, because them just love my accent. They love my accent. Not to mention my American friends, when I get mad, they love my accent. So I don't know. They think it's cute, but it's not cute for me. So I don't know. I see other Caribbean people and other Africans or other races, and I love African accent, but the Americans, they love a Jamaican accent, boy. I don't know. They love themselves some Jamaican. Jamaican here is like a car that you can take around, you know? You can take around the car